Hey everybody, this is Ulysses with Estrin Zirkman Sales Agency. How are you? Just checking in, making sure you're doing well and staying healthy. Today I want to bring you another product spotlight. Today's manufacturer is SATCO. Today we're going to be going over downlight options. So let's clarify what those options are. Well, basically we can break those things into two different categories. The first being retrofit downlights, the second being direct wire, which you can also use for new construction or renovation. So the first thing that we're going to go over today are retrofit options. Now, retrofit options, basically, if you have an existing can within your ceiling, you're going to require a retrofit option. Whether you decide to go with a bulb that you can install yourself, okay? The one on the left here is a PAR 38. The second here is referred to as a bulbous reflector, or BR for short. Now, the difference between these two styles is that the PAR is going to give you a better selection on beam spread, whether you want to go with a narrow, medium, or a wide flood, as where the BR is going to give you a very wide flood. So the max flood on this is going to be about 90 degrees, where this is going to be typically about 120 to 180, depending on the manufacturer and the style that you get. Of course, both of these things are available in a wide variety of color temperatures, as well as wet location and damp location. The second option that we're going to look at are actual downlight retrofits. Now, this is where instead of having a bulb, you're actually going to be able to replace the entire thing along with the trim that's all housed on the same unit here. And these units typically will have a screw-in base for you as well. Now, this is available in a single color, as well as this new version that we have here, which offers you 5 different Kelvin temperatures ranging from 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. So very warm to very cool. And I'm going to show you the switching dial here on the back. Okay, and this is just as easy as selecting your switch. Now, this is going to cover most of the typical sizes that we see in a residential home or even potentially a commercial application. This is going to cover you for a 5 to 6 inch model, and we also have a 4-inch option here for you as well. And that basically covers everything that you have for, a standard retrofit model if you have an existing can. Now, let's say that you don't have an existing can or you have a new construction application. What do we do? What are the options? Well, if you have a renovation that's happening, and let's say you have an existing ceiling, but you don't want to put this very large can inside of your ceiling, you can select one of the many direct wire options that we have. Now, a direct wire option basically excludes the can and just gives you this nice little trim here with these wing clips on the back that get held right into the sheetrock. Now, in the event that there's a new construction application, we actually offer a rough-in plate that this thing would sit into. And the rough-in plate you would actually pop into in between the joists that you would have for your ceiling. So this kind of bridges the gap for both of those things there. Now, this first option here is going to be the thinnest. So, typically you have a few different mountings that you can use with this. So the first is going to be either straight into a sheetrock. You can use this in suspended ceilings. You can use this in a soffit or a niche ceiling space. These new downlights make way for light installations where space was once a restriction, and that's really the main benefit here. So this particular style here is available in 3 different Kelvin temperatures, and this thing ranges from 3K, 4K, and 5K, and from 4-inch, a 6-inch, and an 8-inch model. Now, let's say that you want something that's maybe a little bit more architectural and you want to maybe direct the light a little bit more. So then your next option is going to be this architectural downlight that we have here. And this is also very low profile. So this is going to give you, a little bit over an inch in size here. Now, this one here is available in a couple different configurations as well. So this is available in a round and a square, in a black, white, and a brushed nickel finish as well. And I believe square and round, if I didn't say that already. But this is the gimbal style version, which basically is just like an eyeball that you can move all around here. This one also is available with the goof ring, and I may have forgot to mention that both of these models here are also wet locations, so great for showers, spas, and anywhere else that you're typically going to have water, but not direct water spray. That we don't really want. But again, this one also features the same external junction box. For this model here, there is an extension for this, so it gives you a 6-foot length in case you need to install this remotely as well. Now this particular model here is going to be available in only a 3000 Kelvin, so we kind of lock you into the color temperature here, but still a great punch of light from this, and also very, very well priced. Now the third option that we have for this is a junction box mounted directly on top of the fixture. Now this is one of our new direct wire linear lights that's available in 12-inch, 18-inch, 24 inches, 32 inches, and 48 inches. And here, I'll just show you what the larger sizes look like here. Now, this is available only in 3000 Kelvin. But again, this kind of gives you that same direct wire where, you can pop this in anywhere and you can just hook it right in. Now, the final style of downlight that we have, I guess, would typically be used in more of a commercial application. So with that, we have this larger one here. Now this is actually going to replace compact fluorescence, and this thing is available in a 4-inch, a 6-inch, an 8-inch, and a 10-inch version as well. Now the color temperature on this is going to be a little bit more neutral in a 4000 Kelvin, but this thing is damp location, and by the way, all of these products here are fully dimmable. This one particularly, you can actually go 0 to 10 on this, and everything here features a 5-year warranty as well. SATCO is a leading supplier of lighting products with solutions for nearly every lighting market across the commercial, residential, and industrial landscape. With over 1.5 million square feet of inventory throughout North America and thousands of products ranging from light bulbs, as I just showed you, and light and LED technologies, and of course we also carry decorative fixtures, smart lighting, and even lighting components. SATCO is the single resource for all your lighting needs. Remember, we do the light thing, we do the right thing. Please let myself or anyone on my team from Estrin Zirkman Sales Agency provide your next creative lighting solution for your next lighting project. And again, if you have any questions, please contact us at info@estrin.co, and that's ESTRIN.co. Thanks everybody, and have a great day. I'll check in with you soon.